Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is HD Signature. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I bleached my short hair at home. So I will encourage you guys to please stay till the end of this video so I show you guys what I do to prevent breakage after bleaching my hair. So these are the product I'm using olive oil bleaching powder, and I'm also using this liquid kind of, it's more like an activator for the powder. So this is what helps the powder to, you know, helps your hair to bleach, I believe so. I don't really know so much about these things, guys. So I've mixed them already. I've done that. So I'm going to be wearing a nylon, guys. This nylon is basically what we use for momo in Nigeria. I'm sorry, I don't have a glove. I ran out of it. In fact, this video was impromptu. I didn't really know I was going to do it, but one thing in me was just like, a voice in me was just like, why don't you film it? So that's what I'm doing. I've already sectioned my hair into little buns, so I'm using a fancy rubber. Excuse all these colorful fancy rubbers. I got it, it's my baby's fancy rubbers. So I just basically, I do this even when my hair was very long. I do that just to help me bleach my hair all over, so I don't have any part mixing out, and also to help me like also to prevent my scalp from getting bleached from this powder. So I won't really get this powder into my head in the scalp. It's just basically going to be more of it in the tip of my head. So this is what I've done, guys. This I've already added the powder stuff on my hair, and after washing it, this is how it looks. I use a shampoo. I use olive oil shampoo, and I use a warm water to wash it off. And this is the back. So I'm just going to be applying raw egg on my head. So this is what I do, guys, for years. Whenever I bleached my hair, I normally go with, because I read a lot about hair, how beneficial it is to hair, so I beat both together and I'll be applying that on my hair. My hair is still damped, so you're not going to dry your hair. It's going to be damped while you're doing this, and you make sure you incorporate it everywhere, especially your scalp, the tip of your hair, you know, everywhere. Just make sure it's well like incorporated. You apply it everywhere, you understand? So it does wonders to hair. It makes my hair strong. It moisturizes my hair. It's dripping all over me, guys. I don't eat egg. I hate the way it smells. That's why I'm feeling that way. It's just dripping all over me, but you have to just go through this. If you are like me, you don't like the smell of egg, but you have to just like go through this, and you make sure you wear something that your clothes that won't be damaged. So I'll make sure I apply it all over my head, and I will leave it for like 20-30 minutes and wash it off. So after that, I've already dressed up because I'm in a haste. I'm taking my baby for immunization. So what I do next to further moisturize my scalp is I normally melt shea butter. I melted the shea butter and add that into my scalp. You know, I massage it everywhere, and I'm going to be taking off those fancy rubbers, and I'll still go back and massage the melted shea butter into my scalp. I'm going to style it, and after styling it, because I'm so in a haste, guys, after styling it, I'm just going to show you guys how it looks, because I started from the back first before the front. I wanted it to be more of that color at the back than the front, so that's why the back of my hair is a lot more brighter. In fact, it's almost looking like white to my front part. So thank you so much, guys, and let me know if you're going to be trying this out. Bye, guys.